Introducing IllumiTread, smart, glowing safety built right in. The trusted photoluminescent egress solution, engineered by Balco. Designed to glow in the dark, IllumiTread lights the way when every second counts. These luminous markings offer a clear, intuitive path of escape, critical in emergency stairwell evacuations. Powered by ambient light, they shine instantly during a blackout. No delay, no confusion, no electricity needed. Just reliable, instant visibility when the lights go out, helping people get out quickly and guiding first responders in. Photoluminescent markings offer added visibility and peace of mind when emergency egress is critical. These markings don't rely on backup power. They absorb light from the environment and glow when the lights go out. They stay bright when it matters most, with only occasional cleaning needed to maintain visibility and meet code requirements. Tested to meet and exceed nationally recognized performance standards for photoluminescent egress systems, fully compliant with IBC, IFC, and NFPA 101 codes, engineered for performance, built for safety. Balco delivers the complete photoluminescent egress system from start to finish, including photoluminescent handrails that glow with purpose, demarcation strips that guide with clarity, obstruction markers clearly identify obstructions before they become hazards, signage that leads the way, even in total darkness, customizable to fit your building's unique egress needs, durable, anti-slip stair nosings that absorb light and glow during power outages. Balco IllumiTread, lighting the path to safety. Learn more at balcousa.com and make your building egress ready today.